Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a frugal pantry meal idea using this panini rigate that I got for $1.99. It's a 900-gram bag, and I'm going to show you how to take a 900-gram bag and make 4 separate meals. So these are easy to make, very frugal to make, and it only takes a couple minutes to do it. So you'll want a clean mason jar, and you'll want to put 2.5 cups of pasta in each jar. So we're going to make 4 jars today. Now this is a whole lot cheaper than the box stuff that you buy now. Like I said, the bag cost me $1.99, and I'm making 4 jars today. So now that we have the 4 jars ready, I'm going to make the little packets of dry mix that you could add to the recipe, just like you would from a box. But we're going to make our own today. So I'm going to use up the powdered cheddar cheese, garlic powder, pepper, onion powder, paprika, and sea salt. Let's do this. Okay, so you're going to want to grab a bowl and a tablespoon. So we have 4 containers, so 4 jars, right? And they all have 2.5 cups, and the smaller one has 2 cups exactly. So we're going to put, one, let's say that's 3 now, and 4. So 4 tablespoons of the powdered cheddar cheese, 4 tablespoons of onion powder. Oh, it's stuck at the bottom. 4 tablespoons of garlic powder. So I'm going to have to fill up that container. 2 tablespoons of paprika. I'm just going with what I think would work, right? 2 tablespoons of paprika. This is no one's recipe but my own. Actually, half a tablespoon of black pepper. And of course, we're going to need salt. So we're going to go 2 teaspoons of sea salt. There we go. We're going to mix that up. Now you can use packets if you want that you find in the grocery store for like $1, and you could, use that if you want, or use any kind of mix that you want, or spices that you like. I'm just trying to make a kind of like hamburger helper kind of thing, but my own. A lot cheaper this way. And I think I get a lot more. Cost me $2 for the bag, $1.99. And yeah, and there's the spices, but that doesn't cost much. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the tablespoon and put 4 tablespoons in a bag. I buy these bags at the Dollar Tree. They're sure fresh, not a sponsor. I just like them. So there you go. There's your mix for your pastas. Okay, so here we have it. 4 meals, 4 emergency meals. Guys, it's cheaper than the box stuff. Like I said, the bag cost me $1.99. The spices are not expensive. You could pick them up at the Dollar Tree. And the cheddar stuff, you could pick it up at the bulk barn or any bulk store for very, very cheap. So here it is, guys. What I did is I labeled it Paprika Cheddar Rigate. That's what I'm going to call it. And I taped the little package on the back. There you go. You just put that on your shelf. And if you need a quick meal, just boil up the macaroni. Make your sauce like you would any kind of mac and cheese in a box or any hamburger helper. And there you go. You could add meat, you could add chicken, you could add vegetables. Do what you want. You could add even cheese. Or just eat it as is with butter and a little bit of water with that mixture. It makes a great sauce. So there we go, guys. 4 emergency meals for under $5. And this could feed 2 people because there's 2.5 cups in the big ones and 2 cups in the small one. So if you add something more to that, like I said, the vegetables or the meats, you could really make a good meal. You could even bring this to camp, actually. You can take it out in the bush with you if you want. If you're going to cook in the bush, boil it up in a pot, add the little sauce there, a little bit of water, maybe some butter. Well, since times are getting tougher and sometimes, a bill might come up, something might come up, it is ideal to have emergency meals. And this is the greatest way I could find to do it. Because, like I said before, the stuff is going up in price. And the box stuff, they don't give you this much pasta in a box anymore. They don't. They really don't. And it's going to cost you $1.99 for just 1 box. You have 4 meals there. Okay, there's 900 grams just of pasta alone. So there you go, guys. Something easy, something cheap to make for your pantry that will save you some money and time because it's a fast meal to make. Just boil it up and cook it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment below. I will be back soon with another video. But in the meantime, leave me a comment below and let me know if you want me to continue making these pantry $5 stock-up meals. Emergency meals, because I have a lot of ideas in my head, so I could do quite a bit. Actually, I'll be making quite a bit this winter. I really want to stock up my pantry and have meals that are ready to go, put in the crock pot, put in the oven, whatever, just fast. Nice and easy. Nice and cheap and frugal. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.